Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. In today's video, I'll be showing you 6 homes that are priced at $20 million or less. This is one of the most popular video trends on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoy the video and you guys will get an opportunity to see all the homes being offered today. Remember, all the listings will be linked in the description bar below, so let's jump right into the video. So the first home we're going to be looking at is this semi-detached 2-bedroom 1-bathroom unit being offered for 13.5 million Jamaican dollars, and this house is located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, and to be exact in Britonny, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. Now the home, it's a little bit dated, so it has the terrazzo tiles, the countertops are tiled, but you do have some cabinetry going here. It's a little start. So of course, if you're interested, you look to make some renovations and need some updates, but still workable, right? The bedrooms, they're decently sized. We can see that it's grilled and you do have some closets already in place, so that's already good. So with this one, just have out a little extra cash for renovations. If you're interested in this house, all the links will be in the description bar below. Now here's a home for all my viewers who love country homes, who love residing in the countryside of Jamaica, or you are seeking to move out of Kingston and the urban areas and go to the countryside. Here we have a house located Central Road, Black River, St. Elizabeth. Now this house is going for 20 million Jamaican dollars, and it's actually 5-bedroom, 4 bathrooms. Yes, 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Isn't this amazing? Now it sits on a really large lot size, 21,426 square feet lot. You have a front and back porch, you have car porch, living room, 2 kitchens, 2 washrooms. Now the land alone is really the puller, which is like half an acre of land. You see you have your fruit trees, your nice open concept living area. So this is a really great house. It's not in bad condition at all. It actually seems really like move-in ready. Of course, you may want to go in and add some more cabinetry. I would do that with the kitchen, but this is just one of the kitchens as well. So yeah, so this is really nice. The yard space is really nice and landscaped. You do have ceramic tiles, so that's a bonus right there. Really nice. Boy, the country house them nicey, man. Jesus, look at the bathroom. Wow, no updates need to be made. And if you do have updates or renovations to be made for this bathroom, it's minimal, right? I think there's only 1 bathroom at the property that I saw that really needed some updates and renovations and so on, and that's not bad. For $20 million, you definitely can spare some funds to do some updating of some of the bathrooms, and it's not all, right? So this one is in Black River, St. Elizabeth, Central Road to be exact. 20 million Jamaican dollars, or US $128,263. Ceiling fans are also in place. Fabulous. Link in the description box below, guys. So yeah, that's the second kitchen. Remember we said it has 2 kitchens, so that's the second one, and the second one has a lot of cabinet space, so that's really cool. I got a few comments saying the pictures were going too fast, so let me just know in the comments if this is better. Also give this video a like if you're finding the information helpful. Now let's look at a home in my parish, St. Anne. Now this is the Out of the Blue development in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, and this particular unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's going for US $126,000 or 19,647,180 Jamaican dollars. Now the development has a mixture of 2 bedrooms and 3 bedroom units, but this one we're speaking about today is a 2-bedroom unit, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. All right, so the property or the development will feature porcelain tiles, built-in closets, storage, washroom, and provision for solar system and more. Now, one of my favorite things about Discovery Bay is the ocean view that you get, and the close proximity to the beach, more particularly Porto Seco Beach. And I do have family members who live in Discovery Bay, and they definitely enjoy the area. It's really peaceful, really quiet, just really a family orientated place, and it's also really great for retirees. Yes, this is definitely the place that one would look to retire. So the Out of the Blue development, they state that it will have a facility that will offer a mini mart, tennis court, 24-hour security, swimming pool, kids play area, gym, and more. So this is a brand new development, so let's see what it has to offer. So link in the description bar description box, I should say, if you are interested in this property. So next up on our list, we have this offering here from Bog Walk, St. Catherine, and it's located at Jewel Estate. Now in total it's offered as 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but how it's split up is that you'll have a 2-bedroom and a 1 bathroom and then a studio. So your studio is a great opportunity to be able to rent it out and make some money while you are also living there. So this one is located in a gated community of Jewel Estate, as I said earlier. The facility is grilled. You do have a nice garden area and a nice front yard. Really nice. So it is $19.5 million or US $125,000. Now it sits on a lot size of 4,187 square feet, and the house does have porcelain tiles. So this one is move-in ready. Really nice, offering you have the cabinetry, adequate cabinetry available. Really good housing offering. So if you're interested in the Bog Walk area, this one is for you. So here's a really cool listing, and this one is in St. Mary. This is the St. Mary Country Club, and this house that they have for sale is $20 million, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. Now I really love the kitchen here. It's nice open concept. You have lots of cabinetry. It just looks so open and so inviting. Really nice. I like the island here also. Really nice touch. So here you have the living, dining, and kitchen area. Really spacious, really open. You have ceiling fans, and I love the ceiling here. Really nice. So here's one of the bedrooms, quite spacious, and I love how the ceiling has that angle. Really beautiful. So if you're interested in this one, I will leave the name of the realtor and her contact information in the description bar below. So yeah, really nice bathrooms too, really modern, updated. You don't have much to do here, move in ready, and you have a nice back porch. You're gonna see it shortly. So yeah, nice covered back porch, really nice. So check this one out. I'll leave the name and the contact information for the realtor in the description box. So the last house we'll be talking about today is this house in Spaldings, Clarendon. Now this house is offered at 20 million Jamaican dollars, or US $128,263. Now this is a 6-bedroom 3-bathroom property. Yes, you heard right, 6 bedrooms 3 bathroom. Now how it is divided is that you have the main level, which is 4 bedrooms 2 bathroom, right? And then it's a split level house, so on the next floor it's 2 bedroom 1 bathroom self-contained apartment. So right there again, you do have the opportunity to, you know, rent out that lower level, get some income, you know, help out with the mortgage. Nice, right? So the property sits on 1/3 of an acre of sloping land, and it is grilled. You have water tank, a nice large garden area. Of course, we're going to have to do some updates and some renovating, especially for this bathroom here that we're seeing. But for 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, can we really complain? $20 million, wow, it's a great price. So, and there are persons who definitely want to choose the country life over the city life. I even saw on TikTok recently persons moving to Jamaica, Americans, persons from Europe, just moving to Jamaica because they want to live in Jamaica, they want to live off the land, and they're not moving to Kingston either. They want to go to those country areas, those rural areas where, you know, they can have their land space, their gardens, their nice big homes, and, you know, raise their kids in a different culture. So if you are looking to move to the Clarendon area, here is an offering here in Spaldings. 20 million Jamaican dollars, 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. And look at that kitchen. It's not bad at all. Not too shabby. Lots of cabinetry. Of course, you know, we have to work on the flooring and, you know, those tiles on the wall. You know, get that out, get something else new, get something else in. But still, really nice offering here in Clarendon. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below and tell me which home was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram at SafeHaven. Also, if you want to see personal vlogs, follow me on TikTok at Britonny Haye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.